here at Helena's Hawaiian food.
How long did we wait?
It was like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
But apparently this food is worth it. There's a huge line out there.
Oh yeah, like there's still a long line.
Yeah.
I'm excited to try.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Hi, have you guys eaten here before?
No, this is the first time.
Okay, so this right here is your guys' dessert. That's hopia. So go coconut jello, onions with dip in the sauce, eat it with the meal. It's just like a flavor enhancer. Boy, we eat like a starch, so we would eat that instead of eating rice. Orange is chili water if you want to add some heat, and black is
Short ribs.
Short ribs.
They're good.
It's really good.
Alright, you gotta give the poi a try. Alright.
I got some poi.
First trying poi.
We'll see. Take a big old bite.
Alright.
Kind of tastes like grape flavor to me. Honestly, it's not bad. Isn't it good?
Yeah.
Good flavor.
Salty. Nice char flavor. Followed up with some poi. Yeah, it's like slimy, gooey texture.
It was a weird texture.
It's very like starchy and like it kind of coats your mouth
It
a little
does.
bit. Yeah.
It really does.
So I got some of the poke too, the ahi poke. Let's give that a shot. Oh yeah.
You said all right?
No, I said, oh yeah, that's
oh
good.
Yeah, okay.
She stopped me by, make sure to let me know. Put
I know,
chili
she's
water
like, make sure you put some chili water in that poke.
Let's see. Oh, that's much better, yeah. It has like a perfect amount like kick and flavor to it.
So is it better with the chili water?
Yeah, that's good. So, first time trying Hawaiian food. What'd you think?
It was good.
Yeah, the braised short ribs.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That was my
those were
favorite.
good.
That was like on point.
That
Spot on.
made the hour and a half wait worth it, in my opinion.
And then for the poi, the more I was eating it, to me, personally, for me, it tasted like applesauce.
It's not offensive. There's not much to it. It's not much. There's not too much flavor or anything.
But I'm glad that we did get to try it.
Yeah, definitely. So
Really
on to the next hotel.
I know, I'm excited. We'll see you there.
I can't wait for this drive. So our first stop, we're gonna go to Nu'uanu Pali Lookout, and it's gonna be this beautiful stop, like kind of not rest stop, but it's like a park. We're driving through these crazy mountains, and so we're gonna stop, pull over, and the scenery there is supposed to just be beautiful.
Yeah,
so
I'm
looking forward
excited to look at that.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys there.
See you there.
Nu'uanu Pali Lookout. This is on the way to Kaneohe, which is where we're going to be staying.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a beautiful view. So
I know.
let's see.
I don't even know what to expect.
Pretty windy up here, huh?
Yeah, it's nice. It's cooler. We got more of a breeze up here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. Just all the clouds, and look just how steep those mountains are too.
I know.
And that view is something else, huh?
Yeah. I had to keep going back to look at it.
Yeah.
Like,
We were about to head back to the car. We're like, let's get it ingrained in our minds. Just one last time.
I know. It's like it's not a memory bank in my mind yet. I need to get another look at that.
Beautiful. I mean, like, why do we live in Arizona? We don't get views like that. But then again, like, people that live in places like this, they probably think, hey, let's go to the desert. And
Yeah, look at the cactus.
why do we live in Hawaii? Yeah. Oh man, that was something
I
special.
know. Like all the mountains and the clouds and the ocean.
Yeah. Coming over the windward side, definitely worth making a stop there.
Yeah.
This is the Nu'uanu Pali Lookout. Kaneohe, beautiful drive there.
Yes.
Kololina is beautiful, but this side of the island just blows it away.
So I just couldn't get over it. Like the whole ride to the next resort is just like mountains.
The mountains are just gorgeous,
Yeah.
and then like today's such a nice day. The clouds are just hanging around the mountains, but it's
Yeah.
not too cloudy. So we just made our way. We're here just north of Kaneohe now. We're at Paradise Bay Resort. We got ourselves a 1-bedroom waterfront cottage. So right now, Paradise Bay Resort is pretty much just kind of like a room-only kind of place. They don't have any of their amenities right now due to COVID. So no breakfast in the morning. But they do have kayaking. They do have boat tours out to the sandbar. They do have a couple other activities that we can take take advantage of. But for now, let's give you guys a little bit of a room tour, and I'll show you the view at the end.
Yes. Yeah, it's pretty open. So you have like a full kitchen here. So your table. It does come with the microwave, and
Which is nice because a lot of places don't.
A lot of hotels like don't
Yeah.
include a microwave. So when you have leftovers, you're like, what do you do with it? But it has like your standard coffee pot, and then it comes like you can wash your dishes. This is the stove.
An electric stove.
An electric stove, and then it comes with glasses and mugs, wine glasses, plates. So you should be all set. So you can really just go to like the store and buy some
Groceries
food.
and whatnot.
Yeah, because they have like pans and pots.
Yeah.
So we're good to go. And then you have your living room over here, and then the TV. It's nice and cool in here. So it's open here. So it's like one big room. The 1-bedroom here.
Nice big king-size bed here. Cool AC. There's a closet with some robes there.
Extra blankets and such. I love the little final touches they put in here, like the little flowers everywhere, like in every room.
Nice floral painting there.
Yeah, you're in the hallway. You got a full-size mirror here, and then this is the bathroom. So you have your towels on this side, and then, this is nice.
Here's your vanity, some storage, sink,
And then a nice shower.
walk-in shower. Got that shampoo and body wash combo,
Yeah.
and then
Which is
conditioner.
Normally shampoo and conditioner combo. But yeah.
Now, for the best part.
Okay, so that's inside our cottage. So now for the best part, are we going outside?
Let's go show you guys the view. So we're probably not going to show too much more of the resort. They're pretty big on privacy here, and we want to respect that. So
Yeah.
but we'll definitely take you guys along kayaking with us, and then
Yeah, so you can rent out, you can sign up for like yoga, meditation here. They also have kayaks you can just take out into the bay.
Yeah.
So we definitely wanted to do that.
yes, tomorrow is the luau.
The luau.
We're
So
driving
it's going to be a long day.
Yeah, we're driving over to Waimea Valley tomorrow to do the Toa Luau. You guys be sure to stay tuned for
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
that
that's
video.
going to be fun.
The plan is today we're just going to go pick up some food here in a bit. We might go
hungry.
kayaking, but yeah,
Yeah.
we're going to pick up food. Maybe have a couple drinks out here and just enjoy the view.
Yeah.
The sunset here.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
This beautiful view. So back there, you guys can see Kualoa Ranch is back that way on the other side of that peak. Water comes up right to the edge here. We're probably going to keep it pretty limited as far as showing you guys the resort here.
Yeah.
Definitely worth checking out the beautiful little quiet, quaint place here.
Oh yeah, we were saying this is completely different than Aulani. Kids running around, crying, but here it's super peaceful.
This is much more of a peaceful, meditation-oriented kind of place. So, got ourselves a nice dinner here. Went to the supermarket, got some provisions, some drinks, and some food and breakfast stuff for the week.
Yeah.
Picked up some dinner. We went to the Kulau Drive-In. Mochiko chicken.
Yeah, it's like a sweet fried chicken.
Yeah.
with some rice and then some mac salad.
And I got myself a poke bento box. A couple pieces of nigiri, some poke. Looks good.
And then we're drinking these. These are really good. Likoi?
Lilikoi Passion.
It's really good. Like, you can't go wrong with any flavor.
Yeah, let's dig in.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tonight we relax.
Yes.
So that will be it for us tonight, and then tomorrow we're off to Sharks Cove and Toa Lua.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.